scared of the night, always wanting the fright of your life. Oh baby, can't you see the monster screamed in your dreams? Be your monster, darling, while you're scared of sleep at night. Hold you teddy, that remember of your life. Yo, baby, yes, your feet, the monster made of mine.
Hey guys, girls and ghouls, it's your boy Razor from Razor's Twisted Exploring. We're in the South Wales area today. I'm going checking out the known House of Horrors house. So come with us on another explore. So this is what we're looking at, guys. House of Horror. Can't move, lad. Lad, read.
Go there.
Instantly.
No, it's all back here. It's been like there's a old boards there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All ties, all things. It's definitely skipping all the windows down in this one. I've had books and stuff, Reader's Digest. Yeah, this has been in here for a while.
Good chest. Hurrying up. Bit of a car rusting away there. Simple. Why can't they all just be that simple? Yeah. And into the horror house we go. Small photo here. Probably part of the family. Must have had a dog. Obviously we're in the living room here right now. CV. Get one of those sort of weather things here with a thermometer on. Some little horses. The Book of Mormon. These old maps. A South Wales map. First published 1946. Revision full 1919. So some really old maps here, guys. Back here. Obviously a bit of a walking stick. Incredible. Obviously a bit of a storage under the stairway here. Old radio. So much, guys. Sewing machine. Naga cooker. Look at all food tins must have collected. Some medals here. First, second and third place. What's that for? John Francis. Photo. Trying to show you as much as I can, guys. You were never alone. Jesus is here. Into this back bit. Look at that. That's horrifying to see. Such a blade. You can hear them. They've found the sheep. Maybe bones. Like a skeleton here. Food still in the freezer. It's proper horrifying, this place, guys. Quite vibe to it. What's this? This almost looks like a casket. It is. Rest in peace. There's actually a coffin here. Have you seen that coffin?
Yeah, there used to be a dog in it. The dog's gone, or it's just disintegrated. Go in there. Have a great time. You can smell it.
Yeah.
You're coming in here a minute.
Oh my God.
You can smell the punk, can't you?
Just open the box up in there. Go open one of them boxes up in there. And then smell it. You go up and find it, man.
So into the slaughterhouse we go. Obviously I've just put on a bandana because it really does reek bad, guys. Look at that carcass. The face. A sheep. Almost looks like a little sheep, that. Cold bones. Wow.
Come, Razor.
Yeah.
Razor.
Pickaxe out.
Razor. Open up the yellow tub.
What, this?
Yeah. I'm to hold my breath, mate.
No, yeah, take it, that's it.
Have a look in there, Razor. Oh, yeah. Go.
That's a sheep. Sheep literally in that tub. Never seen something more horrifying, guys. There's an axe down here as well. It's absolutely insane. Bloody chainsaw as well. Really is the House of Horrors, guys. Just this room alone has seen so much death. It's unbelievable. Obviously, I'm guessing this was the worktop. The poor animals would have been met to their end. Absolutely madness. The pond still smell it, almost like it's with us, following us now as we're going upstairs. It collects a lot of rubbish.
Especially those, hope you're okay.
Bathroom here. Toy car. Some old scales. Mental, guys. Literally. Look at me clean. What's our clean? There's vibe in here, isn't there? Yeah.
I'm feeling spiritual. This is a 1998 as well. I'm feeling
Makeup tail.
bedroom here, an old tight.
Oh my day. A shotgun shell. Shotgun shell.
It's not like I said, it's not like very pleasant.
Oh my days. Carcass in there as well.
What a Jesus stuff. Move yourself a bit to the right. Oh. 2010.
Shotgun shell over there.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
That cat! The cat in a thing.
Yeah.
It's a cat.
No, definitely your cat has got something else.
That's a cat, mate. What? Hey, I didn't think it was so much. It's bad, isn't it?
Yeah. I generally just thought it's going to be bones in here. This is just real life horror movie, guys. 1953.
At the same point, it is.
Oh, another coffin.
It is nasty, it is. Oh, I feel weird. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
You can smell it, you can taste it.
Yeah.
Like, but it's not like let's say it's
Another coffin as well. Jesus. It's just death everywhere. Tractor. It really is like something you'd see in a horror movie, this place. Still trying to get my head around what I've just witnessed in there, guys. It's purely horrifying. It's the door. Shut tight on it. So from the explore, within seconds of entering that building, I felt an intense, overwhelming vibe about the place, and the stench of death that lingered around that place. The bones, the axes, the chainsaw. Yeah, this vibe that surrounded me was so emotional, so much sadness, yet death still lingered the house.
Won't you ride for me? It's the only thing I'll ever grieve. Your heartless corpse, organs kept in jars of the mire. Your dance of bliss in a sun.